In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add BCC in Outlook permanently. To begin, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook page. Once you have your web browser ready, navigate to the official Outlook website. Here, the first thing you'll see is the Sign In button, which you'll need to click to proceed. As the sign-in page appears, go ahead and enter your login details. Be sure to type in your email address and password accurately to avoid any errors logging in. After you've entered your information, click the Next button to proceed, which will take you to your Outlook dashboard if everything was entered correctly. Now that you've arrived at your Outlook dashboard, you'll notice a variety of options and tools at your disposal, but for the purpose of today's tutorial, we need to zero in on the settings. So direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There you'll find a small gear icon which represents settings. Click on this icon to open up a menu with different options. From the menu that appears, look for the Mail option. Clicking on Mail will lead you to another set of options focused on handling your email activities and preferences. This is where you can fine-tune how your messages are composed, among other things. Within the Mail settings, find and select Compose and Reply. It's here that you'll be able to control various aspects of how you draft and send your emails. Once in this section, locate the area dealing with message format. This is crucial because it's where you'll make the change to always have BCC fields visible. Finally, look for the checkbox that says Always Show BCC and go ahead and click on it. By checking this box, you ensure that the BCC field will appear automatically whenever you compose a new message. This makes it much simpler to add multiple recipients without displaying their email addresses to each other, enhancing the privacy of your communications. With these adjustments now saved, your settings will be locked in place, making your emailing tasks smoother and more private from here on out. Whenever you send an email in Outlook, the BCC field will always be there, ready for use without any additional steps needed in the future. And there you have it. With this setup, you can send emails discreetly at any time without having to adjust settings again. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes managing your emails in Outlook more efficient and secure. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy emailing.